my body, Mama?
Yeah.
Oh, you did, right? Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. Take the place. Oh, that's the airport right there. See, that's the airport. See, that's the airport right there. There's a plane. There's a plane. We're on the New York. What's the name of the airport? I forgot now. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We end up all the way behind right here.
In a quarter mile at the traffic circle, take the first exit.
Oh shit! I cannot do this. I gotta wait. It says to take the first exit, right? That means I'm going this way. Oh shit! Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Jesus. Jesus, traffic circle. How did they do this? You know, it's hard.
Wait, this is an airport?
Yes, that's the airport right there. Yes, right?
Oh my god, look at the plane, it's taking off.
Oh yeah, look at it. Oh, that's amazing.
Whoa.
That's amazing how the plane is taking off from there. It's going up. And he went. There he goes. Here we get there. Look at it. Oh, looks so beautiful going up. Straight up. Look at like this, right? Unbelievable. We end up in this end. Yeah. Oh God! I forgot to get gas. Where's the gas? Where's the gas?
Oh my god,
Jesus! I forgot it. What about it? Yeah. I'm not gonna run on E. Let me see. I gotta have a little down here.
there has to be a gas station.
Yeah.
I mean, we are close to Beacon.
Beacon? Yeah. Check the nearest gas station. I just passed couple gas stations back there too. Check on your phone near gas station near me. And try to follow 104 west. Or gas station near 104 west. Jesus Lord. I just am gonna end up in no gas around. Jesus. How far more?
It won't give me over here then. The nearest one is in the city that we're going to right now.
Really? How far? About 3 minutes? 5 minutes?
2.1 miles.
Oh, really? Oh, thank God. The gas station, right?
Oh wait, no, that's behind us.
Eh?
That's
Behind us. Oh, yeah. Look another one. Look another one in front of us.
Well, I can't really do that when Oreo got me.
Come on, Oreo.
Oreo! Go to the
Come here, baby. Good. Stay right there.
Starting route to Speedway. In 1.2 miles, turn left onto US 9 South.
What is that?
That's for the gas station.
Oh. So you're taking me to the gas station?
Yeah.
Oh, you're not taking me home now.
No.
Okay.
Just follow this map and we should get to the gas station.
Yes. Okay. And 1.2 miles, right? Make a left. How far is that from here, Mama? Oh, 2 minutes. 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're 2 minutes, yes. 2, 3, yes. 2 minutes, yes.
At the next light, turn left.
Look at Kayla. Look at what's in front of me, Kayla.
The fireplace.
Yeah, it could. Yeah. I got. At the next light. At the next light, right? At the next light.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
In a quarter mile, turn left on Albany Post Road.
Okay. And then I should come back to this road, right? To continue home, right?
I don't know. I'll put the thingy back in.
Yeah.
When they're
Oh,
done.
at the next light, right? At the next light. At the next light. Yes.
Just go straight.
Yeah.
At the light, turn left onto US 9 South.
Yeah, at the light, turn left.
Left. This light right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn left on Albany Post Road, then turn right onto East Main Street.
And the other map is still on too.
Oh, really? Okay. Okay. Oh, it says turn right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
But here I'm going left.
No,
Leave-
they both say left.
Oh, they're the same?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So leave that one on, okay? Leave the other one on. I just want to go to the gas station. It looks
That
like a
one
big...
says turn left and turn right.
Oh, okay.
Like a left
Uh-huh.
and then a real quick right.
Oh, and
And then this one,
the gas station?
the gas station is
Only
just
left.
left.
Only left. Okay.
Until you get to Speedway.
Speedway what?
Speedway's the name of the gas station.
Oh, really? Oh, cool. So this one should take me to the gas station, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You kind of have to do a little U-turn at the end of the road though.
Oh, that's okay. And who knows? Maybe there's more little gas stations passing through, you know, without realizing, you know. Oh, look at now. Now I won. So there's waters, okay, Mama? Oh, I forgot. I didn't realize you have your drink. Oh, at the make turn left, and look it. Didn't even give me the chance to get there to the light to my left. You see that? It look like people over here don't do work, don't do heavy jobs like at home. Oh yeah, there's another one right there. At home we see a lot of those, and then a lot of people with their trucks and garbage. A lot of you know what I mean. Or it might be that these areas are rich and we're all broke. They're broken down. They're carrying their garbage. That's their job, right? Yeah.
If you notice these, I've noticed like most of these cars are like brand new.
That's what I was looking at. That's why I was telling you over there. Go see a bunch of cars with garbage and shit and.
What?
Somebody's beeping at me.
I don't know. Just let it go until they beep again.
Yeah. Well, I got my light is right over here. I cannot go anywhere.
They can though.
Yeah.
You're allowed to turn right.
Yeah. Shit, it's hot, Mama. Are you hot?
Yeah. The AC's on.
Yeah.
It's on.
It's on.
It's just not pointing to you.
Yeah. Oh God. Yeah. Oh, feels a little fresh now.
I put it on because I got car sick.
Really? Yeah, I hear you, Mama. I know. Plus, it was very hot. It was a little warmer before. Well, look at him. Look at Oreo. The Oreo. He's just sitting over there loving you.
Yeah.
Right? And it's good that he's looking outside now, right? It's like, why didn't you do that? Why didn't you pick me up all the way back here without picking them up into? Only into we got up here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? A little bit, right?
In a quarter
Oh,
mile, make a U-turn at Sergeant
Yeah.
Palmetier Way.
Shit, my light is probably
Turn right
fading
onto East
already.
Main Street.
Yeah. Let me try to find a Home Depot right there. But let me go to the gas station first, and then I'll come back to the Home Depot, okay?
You see it? This the gas
In a
station?
quarter
Yeah.
mile, turn left onto New York 90 South, South Avenue.
But do you see the gas station? Don't listen to this no more.
No. Where's oh Speedway?
Speedway,
Yeah,
yes.
right there. Yeah. Yeah, I see Speedway, and I come back to Home Depot, okay?
Home Depot.
Yeah. Cause Home Depot right here. Look at it.
Home Depot.
Yeah.
Head south on Albany Post Road. In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Sergeant Palmetier Way.
Okay.
It's going to tell you to do a little U-turn.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, turn right here. Right
Use
here.
the left lane to make a U-turn
Yeah.
at Sergeant Palmetier Way. Then the destination is on your right.
Right here. Yeah. Right here. Oh shit. And I gotta go to Home Depot to pick up some kind of crazy glue or something like that, you know? You know what I mean? I gotta pick up some kind of crazy glue. Oh shit! I'm not allowed to go in here.
This is
Oh, it's a way out. It's to come out.
It's okay though.
Turn right onto US 9 North.
Mama?
And the destination is on your right.
I think they would understand if we
Yeah.
came this way.
Yeah, because there's
Head
no way.
northeast toward Albany Post Road. Turn right onto Albany Post Road.
Yeah.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto East Main Street.
What is that? Is that a gas station?
Yeah.
That's what Mom and Dad have been looking for.
Yeah. Or look at the cars too, you know? Looking at the cars is probably fun for him too.